everybody? We are in very dangerous waters, and I'm Nicholas live here with two professional traders here to show you how to play it safe and tight in this pretty rocky market, I would say. How would you call this market, John?
I think you just nailed it. It is dangerous trading out there, folks, and we want to be safe. I think our trading style has proven to be never more important than what we're going through right now, at least in the crypto market. We've been living this stuff in equities and futures for years, and now you're seeing how the big boys play. They don't make it easy, and you better make sure that you're finding those trades, staying safe. So we found one that has worked out well for our premium traders, and I wanted to show you this is actually from a post 3 days ago on our premium site. We always keep an eye on Ethereum. It is the leader of altcoins, and when Bitcoin started getting choppy, we noticed that Ethereum was looking pretty good compared to it. And the good news is things haven't moved too fast, but Ethereum has held up very nicely compared to Bitcoin. And we want to show you the trade that we did, where we are, and you may even have a chance to get in it yourself if you like. So let me flip over to it, and we'll talk about the specifics with our 30-year professional trader, David, who's going to walk you through the setup and what we expect to see profit-wise on it. David?
Yeah, thanks, John. Let's just jump right into this one. Our fill on this trade was our entry price is 0.0761, and as John mentioned, we posted that to the premium subscribers, so they got in around that range with us if they wanted. Our stop price is 0.725, which is John has drawn that support line in there for us, and that's where we're gonna be getting out. So we got about a 5% risk here on this position. Our target, our first target is 0.08125. Not too far away, but decent risk reward. And we like this. We like the support underneath it at 0.725. And so it's a pretty decent setup. And with current prices, as I look at 0.78 or so, we're kind of in mid-range on that. We've got a little bit of a profit. It's still a trade that you might want to get in, or or you can try and scale it. And if it comes back a little bit lower, not from 78 towards 77, 76 again, and get in and improve your risk reward. So it should be a relatively short-term trade. We don't think this is going to go on for weeks or anything, but we like the setup.
Okay, guys, let me add, before we wrap this one up, a couple tips. Always want to give you something to trade better with next time. What we like about the trade, it confirmed our initial buy with a very tight stop, but then we had a nice spike yesterday where Bitcoin was not doing quite so well. It reversed and came back, but Ethereum actually ended up compared to quite a bit. And down here you can see I highlighted high volume. So when you see high volume and a nice move up, you can expect higher prices. Today we've moved up quite a bit, hit a moving average, and now we've reversed. So that's going to be an important close at the end of the daily candle. If it's green, this trade could go up to our 0.09 target. If it ends up red, we'll probably tighten stops and make sure we make money on this trade. So that's position management, and you can manage it day to day. On some trades in a dangerous market, you definitely want to manage things day to day. Other times, if we're on a bull wave, we'll give it more room to run. But that's the kind of management we're always talking about with our subscribers, and that you would want to be aware of so you can compare it to your trade strategy. And then finally, take a look at, we're still working on this bull flag, very large bull flag against Bitcoin over here. This has been going on for some time. But if we fall below this stop, we might go test the bottom of it. So that's why stops become so important, is we have some support with all these days trading in this range. Go below it, you're like, I still like Ethereum, I'm going to stay with it. Well, why would you want to do that when there's all that open space where it doesn't have all those days of trading? It can go all the way back down here. Why not wait for a better setup and buy it again when you have a higher probability of success? Some tips to follow up on. Hopefully you have good, safe trading with that kind of information. If not, please subscribe, and we'll give you a lot more to make sure you do. Nicholas, back to you.
And right now it's still, a pretty safe place to enter, but if you guys want to play more safe, just place limit order around the entry price we got in as well, and you might test it real quick before goes up to the target which we're aiming for. And make sure you guys do comment any cool coins you see having a nice bullish pattern so we can analyze them for you. I'll see you guys later.